Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a showdown between two high-flying contenders from Holy Stone, the HS440 foldable FPV drone and the HS720G. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's talk money. On the left, we have the HS440, coming in at a wallet-friendly $129. On the right, the HS720G, flexing those high-tech muscles at $299. That's right, folks, you could buy two HS440s and still have enough left for a decent meal. The HS720G might just make your wallet weep, but hey, quality comes with a price, right? Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the cameras. The HS440 sports a 1080p HD camera that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. It's like having a GoPro attached to a flying squirrel, perfect for capturing those scenic beach shots or awkward family moments from above. But the HS720G is not messing around. It's bringing a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal to the party. Imagine filming a Hollywood movie with a drone. This bad boy promises stunning and vivid footage that might just make you feel like Spielberg. Flight time is where the rubber meets the road. Or should I say, the propellers meet the air. The HS440 offers a respectable 20-minute flight time. Enough to explore your neighborhood or spy on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. But the HS720G swoops in with a whopping 26 minutes. That's 6 extra minutes to live out your drone pilot dreams or to find out your neighbor's Wi-Fi password. For all you beginners out there, both drones have got your back. The HS440 is packed with beginner-friendly features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's like having training wheels on a bicycle. Safe and sound. The HS720G, however, takes it up a notch with optical flow positioning and an advanced GPS module. It's practically holding your hand in the sky. Perfect for those of us who still struggle with left and right. Let's talk bells and whistles. The HS440 has one-key high-speed rotation, making your drone dance in the air like a ballerina on Red Bull. It's small but mighty, and it fits right in its carrying case for easy travel. But the HS720G is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. With Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, plus a smart return to home feature, it's like having a personal assistant in the sky. And don't forget, it's FAA compliant with remote ID built in. Fancy and functional. Reviewers love the HS440 for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it an excellent choice for beginners. On the other hand, the HS720G receives high praise for its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and overall value, positioning it as a top choice for those seeking a more professional drone experience. So there you have it, folks. The HS440 is your budget-friendly, easy-to-use, fun-loving drone, while the HS720G is the high-tech, feature-packed, sky-dominating beast. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.